In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template to a Miro board using quick and easy steps that will have you template like a pro. If you're new to Miro or just looking to streamline your workflow, adding templates can be a game changer. They help you save time and keep your projects organized. So let's dive in and see just how simple it is to get started with templates on Miro. First, you'll want to navigate to the website. Open up your web browser and go to Miro.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the login button. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login page. Here you have the option to sign in using your email address or a Google account. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you and proceed to log in. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Take a moment to look around if you're new to Miro, but keep your eyes peeled for your personal boards list. Once located, click on the board where you'd like to add your template. This will open up your selected board ready for you to modify and enhance. With your board open, focus on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a plus button. Clicking this button opens up a variety of options, and here is where you'll search for templates. Use the search bar, type in templates and hit enter. The system will display available templates, making it easier than ever to find what you need. To make templates accessible with just a click, you can pin them. Simply look for the small pin icon next to the templates area and go ahead and click it. Once pinned, templates stay at the ready, allowing for quicker access in the future. Now, once you have your templates available, find the templates button and click on it. Doing so will bring up a new menu. In this section you have two options to find the perfect template. You can either search directly for the template you need or explore the All Templates section. This section offers a comprehensive list of various templates available for customization. When you find a template that captures your needs or imagination, simply click on it. The next step is to click Use Template. Doing so instantly adds it to your board. Now that the template is on your board, you can start making it your own. Don't hesitate to dive deeper and customize the fields to suit your project's specific requirements. Adjust text, change colors, insert images, or add any other elements that will make your template tailored and useful for your unique purpose. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll have successfully added and customized a template to your Miro board.